Mom, it is sports day. Yes, let's get ready.
Hello, Beary. What is this?
This is my bag for sports day.
Do you like sports day, Beary?
Yes, I do. It is very fun. Hello, Beary. What are we doing today? Looking for adventures, Hoppy. Perfect. Watch this. Wow, higher this time. Looking great. We are going to sports day. Oh, goody, sports day. I can't wait.
Do you like sports day, Feather? Yes, I do. Let's go together. Are you ready, little bears?
Welcome to sports day. Follow me.
What is this? This is sports day.
We are playing football today.
Is this football? Yes, it is. This is a football field, Hoppy. Wow. This looks like fun.
Look at me. I am playing football.
Good job, Tuffy. Do you like football?
Yes, I do. Football is fun. Ready, set, go. Start running. I am. Running. Catch me, Beary.
Hoppy is very fast at running.
Next is badminton.
What is this sport? Badminton. We are playing badminton. Ready? Yes! Do you like badminton, Spiky?
Yes, I do. Badminton is great.
Is this handball, Beary? No, it isn't. This is swimming. Swimming.
You can do it, Feather. I will cheer for you.
Swimming is hard, but I like it. It is time for handball, Squeaky.
Look at me. I am playing handball. Great job.
Do you like handball?
Yes, I do. Handball is my favorite.
We have more sports. Look over there. See the climbing wall?
What is this sport, Tuffy?
This is rugby. I am strong.
Look at the lake. What are they doing?
Are they swimming in the water? No. They are rowing and kayaking. Hello, Beary. Look. I am climbing. Wow! Do you like climbing? Bouncy?
Yes, I do. Climbing is very fun.
Look! I am playing basketball. Is this volleyball, Spiky? Yes, it is. We are cheering for you! Sports are great! Sports Day is ending. I had fun. Here is your medal, Beary.
I played football with my team.
I played badminton. Do you like Sports Day?
Yes, I do. I love to cheer for you.
My team did not win. We lose. But we are happy. I got a medal for swimming. Win or lose, you all did great.
Sports Day is about having fun together. Everyone is a winner today. Good job!
We love Sports Day. Thank you, everyone.
Goodbye. See you next time.